Oh yeah, we got these. Ask what we meant it was for, so sure. Our first nest. We got them on Amazon. She got me one, she got me two, didn't you?
Is that the actual wee baby?
That's the actual baby one.
Oh no, it's okay.
That's just a thermal printer, she hasn't time.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I'm going to put my
Is that
swan.
what you like? Can I use that picture?
She thinks that's so good as a heart.
Oh, you want it?
No. It's just permission to use your photo.
Oh, mine? This is mine?
Yes, but she wants to.
Do you know, I'm not even...
You're not awake?
I'm not with it.
She says, could you just permission to use it to pick your cell phone?
Oh, this is beautiful.
I'm going to put it in my bag.
Oh.
Mummies always get push presents.
Oh.
We're getting pins for pins.
What is it, like a wee brooch or something?
It's a wee brooch, yeah. I was thinking of getting an ornament. Now it's a wee brooch was there, Anna.
That's lovely. Have to think somewhere special to put it.
I have a wee cushion at home.
Girly!
Where I keep the brooches.
I might do that.
Girly,
It's lovely, you're very kind, thank you.
Yeah, so that's your pin, girly. So next year maybe we can get a pin every year and gather up swans.
That's so pretty, isn't it? Look at them. There's one that's smaller than the other two. I think just
Looks like she's ready to go, doesn't she?
Hello, girly. When I came up this morning, I think we were already in the water because they're on their way up.
I'm glad
do
she
I
got
video on your phone or
whichever you want. Get some photos too though. Because Granny's got herself excited.
I done a wee slow motion and a time lapse. And you seen her going mental.
I need to still.
I'll sit like
those things behind you. Since I took
do you want to sit here?
the doctor told me when I got him, take the tablet, the anti-inflammatory, take 2.
Yeah.
So I took, and I've already had
one
one.
in the morning and one at night.
Yeah, but now I have to take 2 each time. They're really strong.
Girly.
Because the
Girly. Something in your stomach, don't you?
yeah, that's what he's saying. I have to be careful and watch for something.
Girly.
But he said that inflammatory markers in my bloods were so high, and that was 4 weeks ago.
Girly.
And expected him to come down, but because I'm in so much pain, he doesn't like the ham, so he's looking in a blood test. So somebody's phoning me in a wee while, and to get an emergency blood sort.
You girly.
Because the CRPs haven't come down, and he's also testing for rheumatoid arthritis. And I says, after all these years of me having all these illnesses, I've been to rheumatologists and I've got fibromyalgia and all. He says there's no test. He says I can't find a test ever done for rheumatoid arthritis in the blood. He says I can't find a one. What am I looking for? I said, no, there's not. Oh no. What's the phone?
Girly.
You're better, I've got a packet of croissants and everything.
That's my hands on them anti-inflammatories. Just, oh my god, they're heavy on your stomach.
All these different makes. I was on the Praxin and it was really bad.
Maybe that's the one.
And then it's the one that I'm on now is on Celebrex.
Girly.
Celebrex, it's really hard to say.
And is that easier, do you think?
It's easier on the stomach. It's a blue and white capsule.
Girly, look at that. I just remember one.
Something like that.
Yeah.
A Stella something. You know what it's like? You nearly need an exam to pronounce the tablets.
I know.
I didn't leave the phone in the car. Oh no, I give it to Alice. I'm away with that with me. You just seen me Saturday night.
Go back?
No, I cried on Saturday night. I was that sore. She was that sore. We're just lying.
My legs are so bad. Alright.
So yesterday we felt so bad for not getting here. And every hour we went thinking we'll make it, and I was going, I can't even use the toilet.
Never
Sitting
mind.
down.
But yesterday was wild. Yeah. Soaking.
Girly. Getting wrecked, soaked.
Hey, they were drenched, and I rang your woman, and she was like, girly.
Oh, is that woman you talked about, Dolly?
Girly. No, it's a different one.
No.
Like that I didn't know what I was talking about, and I was like,
you in Heston, right?
well, I'm the one sitting here watching her, I know what's going on.
Well, you're beautiful, girl. Tell her she's beautiful.
Beautiful girly.
You are. I think you're very proud this morning with all these babies.
Good girl. You're such a beautiful good wife, girl.
I'm sure she needed after all that.
Yeah, that nest needs a good, it's all dirty, you know, like
that
all,
was so amazing.
Goodness.
Girly.
You know, I haven't even settled down to even think about the whole thing.
No, but just in the back of your head, you just
Girly
think we
wee.
were just like, I was
I've
like
actually
watching.
seen them in the
I know,
eggs.
and them coming out.
Yeah,
And that wee one that was in top of this morning, that's the first wee one that came out, isn't it?
I think so.
And he is, I won't call him he. He's quite pushy bossy, I think.
Yeah, he's the
Yeah.
biggest one.
And he seems to be like, just, what are they eating?
Oh, they're just like sort of packing at the feathers.
No.
What is happening? You tickling him? He sits on the seat the wrong way. I keep telling him that's not how to do it.
Oh, you'll fall off.
You got him the right way.
Egg.
What is it, sir?
This rotate over the egg.
And he was determined he was getting down here.
Turn the egg.
He's determined he was getting down here.
Oh, is it?
Girly.
You're like me,
See
Daniel.
the babies, Daniel?
Girly.
Alice, get a photograph from behind showing Daniel looking at the swans.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Would you do that? Use my camera. Just you look at the. Alice's going to get a picture showing. Look, 'cause I don't think Granny believes Daniel has an interest. Don't think.
Nobody believes something till you show them.
No.
What that woman said to me last night. I think this is the first time. He said, how do you know
Please.
it's the first time?
And how would she know it wasn't her first?
Excuse me, I'm not sitting here boozing. You know what? I'm not going to write anybody on.
I think giving her seat helped her, didn't it? Giving her the croissants and the seat did help her.
Oh yeah,
Definitely, it built her up a bit. Here, keep ticking. I want as many baby pics as we can. Many baby pics. Oh, your daddy spotted cows at the other side. You can't get those cows from here.
Girly.
But the other family, the one was telling me they're over at the big hay.
Girly.
Are they over there now?
Girly.
Do you smell it?
I want to smell it, yeah. There's like a, you have to get rid
I
of
haven't been like that since I have spoken to say or to get anything right.
Yeah, you smell. There's enough stench. I'm really sure. Did I not tell you there were 4 babies yesterday?
You did?
Well, what? One of
Right?
them,
No, is there not? No.
one of them must have.
Well,
I think that was a really weak one, maybe.
what is the one I can't think myself dead? I think I said yes.
I think it's that wee one that something happened.
I don't think it just wasn't right.
Wasn't right, no.
She looks well fluffed up and looking good, isn't she?
Girl, she's doing well now, isn't she?
Girly.
She has to get herself all cleaned up. And Daddy's gonna be away getting the new dwelling ready or new nest, is it?
Oh, well, he was here.
Yeah, I was saying not a chance he's over at the cafe getting grub. I was just saying I was saying the Daddy's gonna be away making a new place to live and he doesn't like heck he is, he's over at the cafe begging.
It was over. I was feeding the ducks.
Hi.
Eat the white bread.
How girly.
So
What
I
if
had to
we've
get the
created a monster?
Are these girly?
Even the ducks were turning their noses up.
They'll soon get out of that because
No.
that croissant was for your mothers to be.
Okay.
To get you through, wasn't it? And you're looking so well. Oh, she's so fluffed up. She looks lovely, doesn't she? Oh, the babies are amazing. I just think like, I mean, it's hard to believe, like.
I can't believe that we've actually seen them.
I know coming out.
No.
I don't, is that a good idea?
Sorry?
She
She got it half, but she would only eat half, or what do you call them? The other ones?
brioche. What are we doing? She's got her own patisserie.
Croissant! Brioche!
Brioche and croissants and
And it has to be buttered.
Croissant girly.
our yeah. No. Can you get past me, alright?
Oh.
Oh, how dare you!
What's on?
She just has fluffed that bit up. No, I'll leave it at that. She doesn't eat. She doesn't want. But that pile of seeds away.
Actually, the birds have been coming down. Counting it. But she wouldn't eat it.
We'll not give them anything more. It's time to fare for yourselves, guys.
Yes, getting to that time.
You have to tell us where you're
I says I'll have to get a boat and follow them.
or we're going to be very distraught so if we can't see them.
I don't know, follow them round the Oxford Island.
Girly.
So is her name Missy? Alice?
Which one? Well, that's girly.
That's girly.
Girly.
Bessy's the one with a 3
Oh, the other family.
or 6. May's the one got 5 or 6.
Six. Missy's got 6.
Mrs. got 6. Well, Missy only had 2 last year.
She do that.
And if your woman asks how do I know that? Because I bloody fed them the whole to get them built up.
She was so contradicting.
Everybody was saying those cygnets aren't going to make it to waste
Girly.
time. And we were going, I'm sure how they were going to make it. We're here feeding them. Oh yeah. Oh, Sean's here underneath all sorted. Still not too good.
I think that's all the thing from the eggs, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, we saw in the water. Now, what time is to get that out? They're very content looking, aren't they?
Gorgeous, aren't they?
Hello, cute.
And there's some quite stuff I can do. Checking all around what's going on.